Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Psychapple official YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain how you can write an effective email when you are seeking for internship, masters, PhD or postdoctoral positions. Why this email is very important? Because this email, it will create a first impression. So, you need to create a best impression. For creating a best impression, you have to write an effective email. In this video, I will explain step by step how you can write an effective email. Before you start drafting your email, you need to prepare the relevant documents. For some applications, they may need extra cover letter. Definitely, you have to attach the resume or CV. And for some applications, you need to attach the transcripts or certificates also. So first you have to prepare all these things, then you can start drafting the email. Here I will explain step by step how you can draft the email. First you have to start with the subject line. This subject line is very important. If you are sending an email without a subject line, that is totally unprofessional, and most of the time no one will open your email also. So here I am writing the subject line as application for postdoctoral position, OLED device physics and fabrication. The next thing is salutation. You have to write the salutation properly. Don't write dear sir or dear madam. Always try to find out the particular professor's or researcher's full name from the website and write like dear Professor George Smith. This just for an example, not a real name. Next is introduction and purpose. In this step, you have to introduce yourself, including your current position and where you are studying or working. Clearly state why you are writing. Mention the specific position or opportunity you are interested in. Here I am writing, I hope this email finds you well. My name is Sujit Sudhindran Swayamprabha, and last month I finished my PhD in Material Science and Engineering from National Tsinghua University, Taiwan. I am writing to express my interest in joining your research group as a postdoctoral fellow, specifically to work on your OLED fabrication projects. In the next step, or in the next paragraph, you need to explain why you are interested in their work and how it aligns with your interests and career goals. Here I wrote like, I have been following your prestigious research group on OLEDs with great interest. Your recent advancements in TADF OLEDs have been particularly inspiring and align closely with my own research experiences and interests. My doctoral research focused on efficiency and lifetime improvement of phosphorescent OLEDs utilizing novel Hall transporting and house materials and achieved my goals. In the next paragraph, you need to explain a little bit more about your qualifications, like highlight your relevant skills, experience and achievements. Mention any specific projects or coursework that makes you a good fit. Here I wrote as, during my PhD research, I gained hands-on experience with various fabrication techniques including physical vapor deposition, chemical vapor deposition, spin coating, etc., as well as characterization methods such as UVPL, AFM, SEM, TEM, XRD, etc. I am particularly skilled in OLED device fabrication, device physics, device engineering, and device characterizations, which I believe would be highly beneficial for your ongoing projects. In the next paragraph, you can emphasize why you are interested in the position and why you are a good fit for the position. I am very excited about the opportunity to contribute and learn from your esteemed research group. With my background and passions for OLED technology, I am a strong candidate for this position. In the next paragraph, you can mention about the attachments in the email. Mention that you have attached a CV, cover letter and any other relevant documents. Please find attached my CV and cover letter. I would be grateful for the opportunity to discuss how my expertise and interests align with your research goals. If you require any further information or references, I would be happy to provide them. Next paragraph is the closing of this email. Politely thank them for their time and express your hope for a positive response. Thank you very much for considering my application. I am looking forward to possibility of contributing to your innovative research. Next is the signature. End with a formal closing, sincerely, followed by your name, email and phone number. After finished drafting the email, proofread the email again and ensure there is no grammatical or spelling mistakes and confirm you already attached the relevant documents in the email. Then send the email and wait for the response. If you are not getting any response within 1 or 2 weeks, then you just give a gentle reminder. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is relevant or useful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.